Welcome to day 26 of our 30 days pattern drafting. In today's video, we shall be learning how to make this dress. So this is our dress block. So we're going to go ahead and draw our under bust line, which is going to be 3 centimeters, 3 inches, below our bust line. So this is our bust line, this is our under bust line, and this is our waistline. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to cut out this pattern. Let's work with this first. We're now going to go ahead and rotate this dart to our mid shoulder. We'll draw. Now that we're done with that, we're now going to go ahead and cut the band that is directly under the bust. Just go ahead and slash this waistline here. We're going to go ahead and close this dart, but before we do that, we're going to create slash lines along. So we'll turn our pattern this way. We'll go ahead and create slash lines, which are just going to be straight lines precisely. We then go ahead and slash the lines, but we'll not cut it off. We'll then go on and close up this. After closing it up, we then slash this line completely, then take out this dart by cutting out the dart leg. We proceed and slash this, but not completely off, just enough for us to be able to spread it like this to create the gathers around the band area under the bust. Now I'll place a piece of paper and spread this pattern, and I'll be back. I have said it severally that there are no crooked lines in pattern drafting, so we'll go ahead and straighten this shoulder area with a straight line and continue cutting. And this is the upper part of our dress, and we're done with it. So right now, what we have here next is the band directly underneath. We slashed one dart leg completely off, and then we place it above the other dart leg. And now to the lower part of the dress, we'll set this aside. We're just going to go ahead and exhaust the dart. Draw a line like this, and then at around this area, we're just going to go ahead and draw another line for the cutouts, then go ahead and cut it out like so. You cut off this. Remember, this is our CF. So we close this dart. So I have gone ahead and closed this dart and added to it to create the lower band after the cutout. Next thing we're going to do now is to go ahead and slash these lines that I have created at the bottom area of our dress block and spread it. July, I shall be hosting a skirt class where you should learn how to draft a basic skirt block, how to alter your basic skirt block to create an A-line skirt, how to manipulate your data, how to create volume, how to manipulate your fabric to create gathers, and ultimately how to create this tiered skirt. This class is strictly for beginners. If you're interested, do send a WhatsApp message to this number to be added to our WhatsApp group. So I have gone ahead and spread the bottom part of our dress block, and this is what we have. You gather this one to fit into this band, you gather this lower part to fit into this, and then you attach. You go on and create your neck collar and then you attach.